everyone, Michelle here from Happy Place Explorers. We are live at Disneyland. We are about to enter Galaxy's Edge. We have a little bit of a wait still, but we wanted to go live, show you guys what we're seeing so you guys can experience it at the same time as us. So I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see what we're seeing right now.
This is it. We're in the end game. All in unison. Everyone just saying this is it.
What?
Stay back this way. This is.
I'll do what I want.
We got Joe from Happy Place Explorers and our friends James and Jenny
Trailer Hitch Podcast.
from Trailer Hitch Podcast.
Follow on your social media.
Here we go, everyone. Turning this corner, you can see the entrance into Galaxy's Edge.
We did it. There's phones in a galaxy far, far away. And collectively, a million voices screamed out. Silence. When we hit a Wi-Fi dead spot. We call the Wi-Fi here Death Star. Wow. Going underneath the bridge, through the gates. Collectively, everyone tried their best.
We got you here, Jordan.
Sam says hi, everyone.
Hello,
Sam?
Hi, Sam.
Oh, is this live?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Old man.
That's so wizard, Jenny. Joe, just don't. Just don't.
We're gonna go that way.
Can't hear the music.
Alright, we're about to head on in. Wow, it is massive.
Alright, we're gonna go to the right. Or are they forcing all of us to the right? Oh my gosh.
Alright, so they're having everyone go to the right. We are in. We are officially in.
So much noted.
I agree, Nikki. restrooms. First to use the restrooms in bed 2. Restroom sign. Oh, look at the droids.
Oh, look at the Sith trophy.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Wow.
The right size. All right, so where are we going? Left.
Yeah, the one thing that we cannot describe is just how large that is.
We're looking to get our jet fuel drinks this early on.
So our plan right now is to head on over to the cantina. That's our first plan.
We got our jet fuel. We got Joe, James, and Michelle with us. Sorry.
What, you can't read my mind? I'm assuming.
It's already confusing.
How bad is it? Yeah.
So we think this right here is the line for the cantina. We're not sure. The detailing is phenomenal. Okay, so we were just informed that they closed off the line for the cantina. So we're gonna keep walking around. So that's the entrance to the cantina. And here it is, everyone. The Millennium Falcon.
Where are we going?
Yeah.
Lightsaber? Let's go left.
So we're gonna head up this way. So we got food and cargo over here. Different menus. So this is a place to eat.
Thank you so much.
That's good.
So it looks like everything right now, currently you have to be in line for. Nothing's officially open.
We can do. We can. If you guys wanted to walk around. If you guys wanted to walk around, I can wait in line here.
Okay. How are the crowds? So far, I don't know that we can really gauge. If you look over here, this is where we entered actually. There are still people coming in. We are already in the park. We're already in line. And I think everything right now, they're not opening anything yet, but we're just allowed to be in line for the activity. So right now, we're in line for the lightsaber. We're in line for the lightsaber experience to create our experience. Our lightsabers. So the crowds are pretty intense right now, but I think they're gonna die down. The information that we heard is that they're only allowing 3,000 people in at every like checkpoint. So we get to be here from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and the next group of people will be able to enter at 11 a.m. So there'll only be an overlap for an hour. That's the information we received. We don't know if that's accurate. But I think once everyone's actually in the park and they actually open up the rides and the activities, I'm assuming and hoping that the rides will kind of calm down. But like I said, they've already closed off the line to the cantina, and they said to check back later to get back in line to enter the cantina. And yes, it is awesome. The detailing and just like the scale of this land is phenomenal. It literally feels like you're in a different land completely. Like you can't see anything outside of the park, outside of this land. Since they're in line, I'll walk around to try and get you guys some more details. Just about like the atmospheric things. So it looks like right here you're gonna have to pay for the lightsaber experience before you even head in. So you pay first and then you get to enter.
James and Jenny are walking around if you want to go with them. And then come back in like 10 minutes.
Okay. We're gonna go walk. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, I know a lot of people have been excited about these Star Wars Coca-Cola bottles. Let's check them out in real life. Pretty cool. Thermal detonators, as they are lovingly referred to. Here we have, what, pod racers?
Land speeder.
Land speeder. Whoa. Something's happening. Don't know what that was. Yeah, see, people are still entering the park. If we go over here, this is where we initially entered. And then they had us wrap around in through the park. We came in, we had to go to the right and then walk past the cantina. A lot of people got in line for the cantina, so they've already shut down the line for the cantina. So we are currently in line. Joe from Happy Place Explorers is holding our place in line for the lightsaber experience. But if you see here, this is where we came in. There are still people trickling into the park. We can go look at these droids over here. Oh, these are cool.
Yeah, there's no...
So it looks like that might be the droid. You must find a hidden Mickey before you leave. Your time starts now. A hidden Mickey in Galaxy's Edge? All right, Jordan, you're on. Just gonna do a quick check-in with Joe from Happy Place Explorers to make sure we're still good in line. Yeah, we're good. Let's go up here. Ooh, all right. Oh my gosh, what's in here?
Yeah.
It's a rotisserie. Oh, we're excited for Orlando too. It sounds like it's going to be amazing, especially the hotel. Trying to give you a look inside here. So this looks like restaurant this way. So here we have one of the restaurants. Obviously they're rotisserieing some food for us. Wow. The atmosphere is just, this is so cool. We got some merch. Black Spire Outpost. Fans, shirts, luggage tags. That's pretty cool. We got different lanyards for pins, new pins. Let's look at pins for a second. So we've got a Cantina pin, open edition. Oh, and it opens. It says Black Spire Outpost. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Black Spire Outpost. What else? There's another pin. I think those are the pins that they have here. Galactic Destinations, 24 postcards. Oh, those are sealed. I don't want to bust those open. Some more atmospheric, very cool. Oh, we got the dice. Oh, and they're heavy duty. They are not plastic. Those are definitely metal. How cool. We got some more merch over here. The crowd control, like I said, when we first entered, it was pretty intense, kind of packed in like sardines. As we entered the park, they looped everyone. We all had to go to the right, and going to the right meant the cantina was to the right. So the cantina line was already blocked off by the time we got there, and we were probably in the first third of the lines. Coming over here because it looks like our friend Chewy is out and about greeting everyone, welcoming into Galaxy's Edge. Very cool. Okay, we're gonna head back over by Joe just to make sure that, oh my gosh, we have Ray. Ray is just walking around. She's literally just walking around. Look at that. No line. Like, just they're interacting with the world, which is amazing. Okay, let's go see where we are for this lightsaber experience. And going back to crowd control, You know, once we got in and got funneled in, it looks like it's not as intense. This is, again, where we entered. It doesn't look like many more people are coming in. It looks like everyone for the 8 to noon crowd is here. Everything has a line. I don't think anything officially opened until 8 a.m. So this is a lightsaber experience. This has a line. Oh, there's Joe.
Plenty of time. Plenty of time to walk around and look at stuff. Are they still out and about?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay, I'm going to stay with them for a bit. They said it was probably about, from when we got in, 40 minutes to now.
To get into the lightsaber experience?
So,
Okay.
Sure, use friends around and do whatever. There are ships. They have sound effects of ships flying overhead. So, there's no music. It's just like wind, like galactic wind chimes. There's like space rumbles as ships fly overhead.
Jeremy's asking, what is the lightsaber experience?
So, lightsaber experience is the build your own lightsaber thing at the Minnesota line. It's a little pricey, like $200, and that's not, you don't get any discount, and that's not including tax. But you get to do a full immersion, build your own lightsaber, kind of like you're visiting World of Train Water, all of the and after you're done, you get a carrying case for it and the blade. So like overall, again, $2 expensive, but I think realistically, if you would get a legacy lightsaber, and it's a heavy metal, it's not like plastic. So I think for the price you're getting it, but you have to shell out the $200. But you go in the room, you build a lightsaber, it could be awesome. We don't know, we're going to experience it in a second. Well, in general.
Okay, so I'll continue to walk around. We're gonna head this way. If you guys see anything that you want me to stop and like zoom in on or get more detailed information of, like just say something in the comments and I'll stop. I'll try to explore things a little bit more in detail if you see anything. Oh my gosh, Epcot. Epcot's my favorite land. Have so much fun, Scott. Let's go in here. So this is a shop. We got really amazing artwork on the walls. Maz Kanata statue. All right. Ooh. Coffee. Oh, this is cool. Wow. Pretty cool. Look at like the size of his mouth. Very cool. Let's see. Tony, yes, the lightsaber line keeps getting longer. In the amount of time that we got into now, it's already kind of wrapping around another part of the park. And Jen, yes, I did do my own nails. These were water slide transfers. I bought them off Amazon. They're all different Star Wars characters. Thanks for noticing. I appreciate that. Here, James, maybe you can provide more insight into everything if you want.
These are hats.
Never mind. Thank you for that. Got journals. Emperor Palpatine canes. Oh my gosh, those are heavy. Ooh. Oh, sorry. Oh, cool. Resistance ring. We got these royalty stained glass. The detailing is just amazing. Let's go see what these are. Kyber crystals. We got red, blue, green. Take a peek. Not quite sure. Oh, cool. Very fun. Oh, they got Yoda's staff over here. Oh, that's pretty light. That's more plasticky. Busts. Was that a button on the bottom? Oh, you're gonna get blue milk? Sure. Hold on. Is it super crowded? Would you say it's super crowded?
No.
Not super crowded. Crowded, yes. Is that a button on the bottom? A button on the bottom of what? Oh, of the Jedi holocron? This? So it looks like there's somewhere to plug it in and charge it, but not a button. No. But you can turn these. Here. Woo. No, over and down. Whoop. Sorry, thank you. Yeah.
Can you twist it open?
Okay. Oh. Oh, cool. Thank you.
It like trying to like persuade you to go more.
Oh, okay, gotcha. I love it. Thank you. Okay. Over and down. To the right or left from where I'm standing? Right below those. These? So these, it says, at the heart of every lightsaber is the Kyber crystal. This crystal is attuned to the Force. It can be used with the Jedi and Sith holocrons as well as Savi's hand-built lightsaber. No buttons. I think you can plug these into your lightsaber. And you can change the color of the lightsabers when you purchase them. Okay, we're gonna head out here and to go get some blue milk. Hi, Sherry. We're at Star Wars. Joe is in line for the lightsaber experience. So here's a little idea of what the crowd looks like. We're back over by the Falcon. So this right here is the cantina. This is the line to get into the cantina. What we've been hearing is that you can enter and stay in the cantina for 45 minutes. So we're hoping to get back in line over here later today because we really want to go check out the cantina. But right now we're gonna head over to the blue milk stand and hopefully get some blue milk. Oh, we got stormtroopers. If you look up there, see what they have to say. Okay, they got eyes on us, guys. Thank you, stormtroopers, for your observation and protection. Okay, so we can go over here and get some blue or green milk. Are you guys getting blue or green? Okay. All right. Since I'm by myself, I'm gonna get blue milk. They're plant-based blends of coconut and rice milks. Hi. Bright Suns. Can I get a blue milk? Enter. Oh, okay. Okay, sorry everyone. I lost the feed. I wonder if I get kicked off after being on for a little bit longer, but I'm back. Going to get my blue milk going. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Hey, Jordan.
Which do you like better?
I think I like the blue better. I mean, I'm biased. The original recipe.
Can I try the green?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the blue one.
That's the what?
They're both really, really good. Joey, how are we doing in the line? This milk? So let's talk a little bit about the milk. So the milk is like a frozen, kind of frappuccino-esque. And it's really good. The blue milk is a combination of almond milk and rice milk, and then it's fruity. We're gonna go in here. Droid Depot. Got some Droid kitchen. We got more pins over here. Some Droid kitchen towels, bowls. Pretty cool. More pins. Head on over here. This is the Droid Depot. Oh, cool. Look at.
Hey, Mom. Did you
guys get a personality chip already? It's easier with
So these are everyone designing and creating their own droids.
You want to let this shit?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Head back over, see where we are in the Star Wars line for the lightsaber.
Wait, you don't need to be here.
Like the blue milk?
It's amazing.
Like it very
So.
We're getting an inside look from one of the cast members. All right, we're moving.
Thank you.
All right.
Like that, right?
So we're gonna go offline for a little bit here because right now we're coming closer to the front of the Star Wars line for the lightsaber creating experience. There's shirts. One interesting thing that we did find out was that the opening day merchandise is not being sold inside Galaxy's Edge Park. It's actually being sold in Star Wars Launch Bay over in Tomorrowland. Okay, so we're gonna go offline here for a little bit. We might go live a little bit later to bring you more experiences and information that we find from Galaxy's Edge. See you in a bit.
So, our first option here is going to be power and I heard some offloaders say it's this piece of stuff. Next is going to be protection and defense. Offloaders have most commonly compared this to elemental nature. Not compared to a person or era, but it does have Cartesian whalebone and has a rank or two. Bantha high, as well as Rylar. And last but not least, this piece of stuff is offers strongly compare this to the more classic, traditional Jedi that one would think of. I've heard Luke Snake.
I've heard of him.
Yeah, just once or twice.
Yeah.
A legend. Who knows? Do we happen to know an idea of which piece of metal would be into it?
Can we see him one more time? Just fast. You don't have to go through
Absolutely.
it all.
Peace and justice. Power and control. Protection and defense. Elemental nature.
I think protection and defense for myself.
I'm so happy it's the coolest one. I was like, ah.
Oh man,
Get the one you want.
Don't. Can I see the Sith one more time? Sorry, you can do cards too.
You would be a Sith.
I just wanna.
Is that okay? Do you like that one?
What?
That one?
Protection and defense? Yeah.
That one's the coolest one.
Yes. Okay. And then element nature. Sorry. So much
Do you
pressure.
want me to hold some as well? Okay, thank you. Enjoy.
It's kind of those like wood accents and stuff, right? Like,
Yes, so this is going to be the Bantha head. These are the Rylar wood and the Cartesian wood. And this is that rank or two.
you would do elemental nature.
Wow.
You know, when we could look up these online for a long time, and I specifically said I wasn't going to do elemental nature to myself.
yeah.
I was like, no, I don't like that one. But why is the reason you kept coming back to it? You kept saying it because it felt right. I like how it's got like a leather hide on it. The leather hide is great. I don't wish I could do this with the leather.
So which one are you doing?
Protection and
Defense?
defense. Which is.
And Joey, which one are you doing?
I'm doing elemental nature.
Okay.
And what am I doing? Nothing.
Your blue milk.
Me too.
I'm want to add brandy to this.
Let's see what's over here. So they're picking their pieces for their lightsaber.
Can we see the other two? That one's cool. Classic.
I thought I like power and control, but actually I don't. So I'm happy that you got that one. My only concern is still that.